Which one we use to create which one? Web, right? That's what it's called the web framework. What do you call? Web framework. Web framework. The simple definition same as it is. Django is a web framework of which language? That's simple format. Python language. Django is a framework of which one? Python language. All of you. Okay. So means by end of the Django, we must be able to create an application. This application kind of a website. All of you. That's the main purpose of what Django. Then the Django, what do we use? Again, do you want to learn the new coding, new programs, again assignments, all headaches are. The Django, what do we use means Python coding. We use same Python. Plus we use UI also. Plus we use which one? MySQL. These three combination is called the Django coding. That's all. No new coding. We mix both. Right now, till now, Python learn separately, UI separately, MySQL separately. Now those three going to mix. That's called what here? Django. All of you. Clear now? Right. So take some points now about the Django. Keep it in. Django web framework. Django web framework. Right there. Django is a web framework of which language? Python language. Python language. Python language. Next. Django framework is used why? To create what? To create a web applications. Applications. Or right. So tell me now, what is pandas? Pandas is a why we use pandas? ETL? ETL? But you're forgetting that main sentence. It's full form of the ETL. Why pandas is used? To analyze the data. To analyze the data. How to install the pandas? You install from where? Command prompt. How to install the NumPy? Same. Django also same. This Django also one Python module like pandas, matlib, NumPy. The same time Django also. Means Django is what? Python third-party module. Third-party module which we install from where? Command prompt. Love you. Take the point. Django is a Python third-party module. Third-party module. Which can be installed from where? Installed from which one? Command prompt. Right. Next one. Django is free and open source. Free and open source. What does it mean? What is the meaning of free and open source? Without paying any amount, without any license, we can install the which one Django. Or one more point. Django is also portable framework. What does it mean? What is portable? We can develop application anywhere, use anywhere. Like Python, right? And Python I given the example, like bachelor life and married life or family life. Bachelor and family. What is difference? Imagine now someone staying in the hostels, someone staying with family, mother, father, all are there. What is difference between both? The restrictions are there. Where hostel life or a family life? Family life. Hostel life restrictions are no. And hostel won't tell you go on outside, eat outside, sleep in the friend room. Who says that? Owner. Which owner? Hostel owner. Why are you saying like that? Suppose 5 friends are there staying in the same room, and they're going 5 days trip. Hostel owner feel happy, bad? Happy. 5 days power saving, 5 days water saving, food saving. But family not possible. Some restrictions are there. Means so portable means we can develop anywhere, run anywhere. All of you. But non-portable means where you develop in the same place you have to use it. Okay, right. That means right there. That means we can develop Django applications on one OS and run on the other OS. Right. Now can you hear me, all of you? Guys, can you hear me now? Getting installation now. Installation. Can you hear me now, guys? Tell me how to install. First, open the which one? Command prompt. And then here, pip install Django or. So today, if I click enter, Django also has a lot of versions. Django also has Django 1, Django 2, Django 3, Django 4. Today, like Python, right? We will discuss. So in case of Python, if you go to the website, as I told you, website name as a part of our free. So if you go here, by default, Python classes, we will discuss core Python. Okay. And if you click here, we can find all old versions also. Which covers all basics. All old versions are there. Which covers all old basics. Here. That but means come to the Django, if you don't know come to the Django here, any other basics. If I click like if you don't know here, C language basics, which version of Django basics, or a Java basics, if you don't know any basics, latest version installed. Still no problem because you start learning Python. Suppose I want old version basics onwards. I want some previous version from basics onwards. Because our main goal here starting learning from basics onwards, guys. Not going like high level or advanced course. Do the number. Don't give the number. Basics are because latest version. These Python classes are mainly for latest version. Beginners. I click enter. Who don't know the basics also, or who knows basics but don't know how to make a program. For them, these classes are very, very, very. Whenever you use the pip It is mandatory.
The second part is once all basics over, once all basics are done, then we start advanced Python also. In advanced Python, what we do by using these all basics, by using that all basics, we are going to make programming. We are going to make programming or coding, guys. All of you. Okay. That's why if anybody don't know any basics also, or if anybody failed in C language, in C++, in Python, anyway, if you got backlogs also in our academic years, but still you don't worry. I make you a good programmer by end of these sessions. All of you. For that, I give 100% surety, guys. By end of these free classes, I am a good programmer. But from my side, my request is don't miss the classes. Every day, attend the classes, and then you can easily learn coding, guys. Coding is very simple. First of all, generally we think that coding is difficult, and the coding means only CS students only. Coding means only employees only. Right? So I am not a CS background, or I am not an employee. I don't know coding. No, it is all false. Anybody can learn coding very easily. The required thing is concentration and interest and patience for few days, guys. For few days, just few days, just keep the concentration and have a patience and keep a regularity for the classes. That's enough. That's enough to become a good programmer.
Right.
Okay. Right. Now, as part of core Python, core Python, guys, core Python. First, we're going to start with installation. Which one? Installation. Okay, we start with installation because without installing, we cannot discuss a single concept of either core or advanced Python. That's why we start with what? We start with installation.
Old version of
Python
Django.
installation. Okay.
Any old version of Django.
And one more thing, every day, whatever I discuss, the same thing, guys, you practice.
Class to become artist.
On the same day or next day before the class, you just practice. Whatever I explain in the class, that's enough, guys. I don't ask you spend a full day for Python. No, not required. 1 hour class. And the next maximum 1 hour practice. Maximum 1 hour practice enough for next 30 days, guys. That's enough.
Then we have
don't require sitting 24 hours before the laptop, 24 hours practicing Python. Not required. Python is a very simple language. A very simple language, guys. Python. Okay. Right. So now we'll start with what here? Python installation. Right. How to install Python? So first of all, to install Python, what are the configurations of our laptops are?
So
What are the requirements
Django
in our laptop? All of you. Just
suppose I want some
the
old
basic
versions.
configuration, guys.
That's to all
The
numbers
basic
are
configuration of
2.1, 2.2,
the
all numbers are
basic
there. Here also all numbers are there.
configuration
3.1,
is enough for
4.0 now,
install the
4.1 now.
Python.
I want some
Enough.
3.6
Is enough.
then keep install
Enough
Which one,
to install what here?
Django.
To install what? To install
double equal,
Python.
no space,
That's all.
don't take space, double
We
equal
don't
to
require
just
a high level
3.6.
configurations to
Click
install Python. No, not required.
If I click enter,
Don't
become
need
autonomous now.
gaming laptops to work
Suppose
with Python.
in my
No, not
laptop right
required.
now,
Just a
already what
basic
is the
laptop
Django? 4.1 is the already.
basic
All of-
configurations enough.
What is
guys.
already?
Okay.
4.1.
Right.
If I click
Now here we
if I
have
click
two
3.6,
steps. We have
then
two steps.
both will
One
be there.
is
Or a old one
One
remove,
is
or new one will be
downloading.
there. Old means the previous
Downloading
existing
Python
one will
software.
remove, and this one will install. Both will
downloading
be there.
Python software, guys.
All of you.
The second
Point
one
right?
is
What I am saying,
downloading.
already
Then what we
Django
do installing.
4.1 is there already.
the same
installation
Python
over.
software.
And trying Django
Installing
3.6.
the same Python
Okay.
software.
If I click enter,
two steps
it
here.
also will install.
What's first
Means
one?
both available.
Downloading Python
are
software.
available.
The second one,
it remove the old one,
installing,
old this one will
installing
remove, will be available.
Python software. That's all.
Huh?
All of you. Okay.
Both available.
First,
Over at the previous
let us
one,
see
this,
how
this
to
one,
download Python
uninstall,
software.
so install,
First, what we do? We'll see
second
now
time,
how to download
Django not possible.
Python software.
Django
The first step,
not
guys.
possible. Only one is possible. If I click enter,
How to
first of
download
all, it
Python
will be uninstalled
software.
automatically.
Right.
Which one?
So
What
here,
is existing uninstall. And this is the install.
We
Suppose
have
let's try now.
a Python
Let's try, click
official
enter.
website, guys. That
First,
is that is python.org.
see, these
So
are
this
all
is
Django.
what here our Python official website. Official website.
What it's saying?
From there we download
Not
Python
find what's in the
software.
space. Okay.
All of you. Are clear now?
Saying the
Tell me now. From here download the Python software from the Python official website, guys. Python official website. Okay. That is what here.
Oh,
See.
okay.
Python.org.
Some 3.1
Python.org. Now, if I click
3.1, understand now?
enter,
3.1.
if
Click
I
now,
click
click
enter,
3.1
if I
like
click
this.
enter, yes. Now, what happened here? What happened here? Python
So first of all,
official website
finding
is
that one,
opened.
and what is the
Python
it found
official
existing
website is
one
opened.
existing
And here we can see some
existing one,
tabs are
uninstall the
there.
existing one,
About
and successful installed.
downloads, documentation,
Oh, already one is there.
community, success
And
stories,
again, this one
news
found
and
here.
events. Okay. And
Another,
here,
what is there
you
here?
can see the second
I also
option,
find
the
it.
second
Yeah,
tab
available already, right?
is what here,
and it is
downloads,
removing,
guys.
installing that one,
That is what? Downloads.
uninstalling that one,
And
successful install
when I
over.
open the downloads, you can see one window is opened, guys, here. One window is opened. One window is opened here. Right
Now existing one
and
removed.
here
What does
you
it
can
do?
see
Install the
one
current
button,
one. That's current
one
one.
button, and
So first
showing
step
the
over. What's first step?
Python
Remove the
latest
existing
version
one.
number.
So now install the
Python
specified one.
latest version
Installs.
number. Now guys, tell me now.
At that time,
All of tell me
two are
now. What
not
is the
possible.
number? What is the
If
Python
you
latest
install the
version?
again, what happens now?
What is the
Just to make
Python
install.
latest version? See,
Okay.
while
Right.
interview is
Point.
going on, sometimes they may
Leave
ask
now.
you.
People
They may ask you.
install
hey,
what?
on which
Django
version?
double
On
equal
which
to
version
some
you practice
3.1
Python?
like this.
Or to
Look in the
practice
box.
Python, which version of Python you used? Which version of Python you used? Guys, tell me now. Guys, all of reply, give reply now. Chat box. What is the version? What is the version? 3.13.7.
Oh.
3.13.7 is the present latest version. But generally, we don't say these three numbers,
Install
guys.
to and
Generally, we
install
say that currently I am
3.1
using
install, right?
3.13,
Now, I want check.
3.12,
I want check my existing
3.10.
version.
That's all.
I want to check
Just
the
to
existing
specify
version.
these two
Django
numbers,
hyphen
3.13,
space
3.10, 3.11.
double hyphen version.
This is sub
Double
number.
hyphen
Generally, we
version.
don't
Space, what is the existing
say in the
version?
interviews. Why? Because, see, sometimes
What is there?
every week new release will come.
One. Out check the
Sometimes
version.
every
Django
month a new
hyphen
release will
admin.
come.
Space
At the time, what will
double
change
hyphen
mostly?
version, right?
The sub numbers keep
Just
on
a
changes.
moment.
The sub number that now 7 is there. Next week it may be 8. It may be 8.
We want
Or
to
after
check.
10 days it may be 8, 9. Okay, that's why
Current
generally we ignore this
install the
number
version
and we say that 3.13
of
3.13
Django.
and some people will ignore
We can run.
13.7 also. Simply they say that I am using Python 3 version, that's all. Some people say that I am using Python 3 version. They ignore that sub numbers, guys, all of you.
Below command, right? What's command
Okay,
now?
right. But remember
Django
first
hyphen
two numbers,
space.
3.13, remember, guys.
Space is there.
Okay.
Double hyphen.
And sir, I don't want to
Double
use
hyphen version, keep
this
box
latest
version.
version. Suppose I want some old versions are then
Django
how?
hyphen.
Here
Not
it
the
is showing
underscore,
latest version
the
only.
hyphen, okay.
That is okay, sir. But I want to use some previous versions, sir. Some old version. Then where we get the old versions are? Yes, you can see, guys, below one link is there. You can see below one link is there. What is that link? View the
I'm doing
full
again now,
list
latest
of
one.
downloads. View the full
Right.
list,
Now let us try now.
list of downloads.
All of you guys observe here.
Downloads.
This is the one way
Okay.
to check the
Right.
version. Which version?
And guys,
Django,
observe
right?
now,
About Django
I'm
version.
going to show you
One more is
first
there,
of all
people list
the
up.
old versions, guys. That's
People
why
list
I'm
up.
going to click
It
here.
displays
View
all
the full
modules
list
what are
of
available.
downloads.
Pandas and NumPy,
View
all
the
displays.
full list of
You can
downloads.
see now
I
Django
click here.
version is there,
I click
3.1
here.
is there,
Yes.
and the NumPy
Now
which
guys,
version
observe now.
1.23.5,
Yes.
and MySQL which
Allow.
version is there, 1.0.2.
See, looking for
right?
a
So
specific
like that,
release
all will be
is a question mark.
which one
Means,
user Pippa
are you
list
looking for?
finished
Are you
point.
looking for any
Finished
old
point.
version? Any old release? Any old release? Yes,
What
you
is
can
one?
find here.
This one
the
over, all of
old
it.
releases,
Give in the
guys.
box.
You can find here the old release. Yes. Okay.
We can
And,
also
see the date wise. The
can
latest
also
one is
use,
what here, guys. Latest one is
use, pip,
Python
pip list. Just give me the box
3.13.7.
again now.
Release
List.
date is August
in the box.
14th.
Pip list.
Release date is what here?
List
August
command.
August 14th is the
To get
release
the-
date, guys. You can observe here.
All
And the previous
All
version
available-
released just
available
12 days before,
modules.
guys. No, 8 days before
Modules.
only. 8 days
Along
before
with
only.
which one now? Version
The
numbers,
previous
right?
version. Which
Along
one?
with the version
13.6. 13.6. And the previous version almost some, like 1 month, around 1 month, guys. Just check the date durations.
or
So sorry, 2 months, right? Okay, in the middle, July is there.
Along with
July is there,
Right.
and just observe,
So
guys,
in Python,
here, and observe
always
now,
we say that
in
write
just
a
June
program, write a
month,
program.
in just June month,
Python,
how many?
always what do we do?
On a
Programs.
single day, on a
This one,
single day,
programs.
you can see, guys, all of you.
In the
On a
MySQL,
single day, 13 4,
queries,
and
write a query
see, in
like that.
13.
the Django
4 released.
is a project.
In the 10,
The
18
technology always
released.
we use. Write a
In the
project.
9,
Write a project like
23 released.
Write a program.
The 11,
program means maybe 1 line
13
program,
released.
10 lines,
Plus
100 lines.
here.
It's a program. That's all.
And in 13,
Suppose simply I'm
it
taking
released,
here some A,
5
10,
right?
like
Like
some
that,
B20,
Python,
then C
Python
equal to
releases
A plus B,
frequently
then
n number
I take
of
which
releases,
one,
guys, n
This
number
is
of
also a
releases.
program.
And
It's also a
number of-
program.
that's
You
why
can take, write a program.
generally
to other two
you cannot,
numbers. It's a program.
remember a
Maybe
specific
small or big, it's a program. In
date
Django also,
or specific
maybe
release number,
Let's
guys.
display hello world
That's why
Is
in
a
the interview
project.
when they ask us
or do the
what is
very
the
lengthy
current latest
also
latest
project.
version
Always what we
number.
use we
At
use
that
a
time,
project
if you know, you can
also.
say that number.
What do we use?
You don't know
Project.
what we
Okay,
say.
right.
Generally,
So
when
why I'm saying that
when
what
I was
is-
practicing,
On last batch what happened?
when I was practicing,
one
the
girl
version
joined only
number
Django
was
batch. Old student reference.
3.13.7.
That girl and the boy both from
and that
Jharkhand.
only I practiced.
And he's doing job right
Then
now.
you give the
He
answer,
brought her
guys.
friend. She
If you know
joined.
the latest number, you can say very easily.
She paid money.
She's happy.
Tomorrow batch will start.
If you
like
don't
that.
know,
This is that I will
if
come
you are not
online, sir.
sure
Okay,
what
fine.
is the
How much
latest
is
release,
everything
whether
over.
the same release
Next day,
still
so
2
first day
months
just
is going
acting
on,
class one,
or in
class
the
one.
middle, in the
Second day,
middle,
I
some
said,
new versions came
write a
on. You
project.
are not sure. At that time,
So
you can
simple
say
project
that
over.
when I
I said,
started
this is the
practicing
project.
Python, or when I
Class
installed
one.
Python,
What you thought,
latest
Django
version number is which one?
Project over, right?
13.7.
It's not like project one with Django batch over.
All of you. And
Now
if
they
you
are
want
not
that
starting
one,
no
just
classes.
click this download
And,
option,
not
guys.
coming to
It will
classes.
download,
From
okay.
week,
Just go down.
That friend
you
asked
can
her,
see-
who is the classes?
You can see, guys, how many versions
They
are
are not
there.
batch over.
But
Yes,
these
I will
are
take at
all
least
versions,
for this
guys,
Django.
3
How
only.
old?
These
Two
are
days
all
old?
Python 3 only.
He said, no,
The
it's
Python
only
3
project
sub
also.
versions, guys, again. These are all
What
different
is
sub
the
versions.
project? Welcome to Narayana course.
So Python 1,
That is not
Python
over.
2 are not
Then
releasing
he's
now,
quoted
guys.
her.
Python
It's not
1
a program,
version,
it's a program, not the main
Python
project.
2, Python
Saruk
2,
at least,
they are not releasing, they are
first
stopped
process for
permanently.
Django.
They are
1 week
permanently,
again,
they are
both
stopped.
came, said, sorry,
Python
sir,
3 is
I thought it's a
going
project
on.
only.
In Python 3, sub
So
numbers
I'm
are
saying
going
that,
on.
give example is which one now?
Lawful.
A project, don't take the
Python
project
1,
over.
Python 2
Okay.
are stopped
Right.
completely.
So now,
releasing.
Allah
The only
observe,
Python 3
we'll
is
see,
going
first
on
of all,
currently.
what is a
That's
project?
why
Don't
we cannot
try to
say
stop
as a
here.
fresher,
What is
we
a
cannot say
project?
I'm using
Right.
Python 2 sir currently, I'm using
So,
Python 1 sir
Allah
currently.
is
No,
important
because
observe here.
Python 1, Python 2 stopped.
What's the question?
What is the latest version?
What
3.
is a-
In the 3 we have
What
n
is a
number of
project, right?
sub
What is a
modules.
project?
N
If anyone-
number of sub religious
What
guys.
is a
Okay, you
project?
can see now.
Anyone knows?
I think Python 2 version released almost long
Now,
ago, guys.
Imagine guys,
Almost
we have an
2020
website,
April,
example,
something
we
it's
have an
down,
website,
last version.
Allah observe. An website is there. This
The
website
guys
name,
here.
I am giving the one name. Just imagine like some
2020
name. I am
April
giving that
April
name,
20.
some NTH.
2 version released, guys. I
NTH
think
or
later.
something called
2 version not
dot
released
com
later.
like this. Okay, and right now
Yes, correct,
it is
guys. Okay.
mainly about
So
only
when
education. Imagine
Python
now.
2 was stopped
Only
means,
education.
when Python 2
Means, if
last
you want,
version released
see the
means,
videos of
when tell me
education,
guys,
use the
April
website.
20,
You want to read the
2020
books,
Python
use the
2 version
website.
released, that is
Not
the last
about
one.
movies, not about
With
the
that one,
politics.
Python 2
So
was
websites are
stopped
there. Let's take suppose
completely.
book my show is there.
From that
there?
time onwards,
The book my show, main purpose booking the tickets.
2020 onwards,
Sir,
only
no.
latest version
Not the
only
watching
going
movies
on.
on the website.
Python 3 only going on,
Or
guys. Okay.
Or
Right.
can't read the
Now,
Python, the
coming
book my
back
show.
here,
Can you read Python?
coming back now, I am going to click.
Only
I am going to
the
click
tickets purpose.
this
Like that.
Python
This one also,
3.0,
the main purpose of this one is only
3.7
which one
guys.
reading the books
Okay.
or watching
And I
the
click on this
subject
one.
videos. Okay. So I am taking that one. Don't read all of them. So just
Right. Guys,
what
can
content
observe
is there?
here,
What content is
Can
there
observe
here?
guys here.
Only books content is there.
the size
Or only
of
education
Python
content is there.
version
Which one, no?
is just
Education content is there.
27
All of observe.
and a half MB,
Education
guys.
one.
Let us take
What is there?
28 MB
Only which one?
only.
Education.
How
Okay.
much?
Education is there.
28
Fine. Now,
MB,
this
guys.
is my website, guys.
Allow can observe
Now,
here.
generally observe
The size of
nowadays we have the
Python
mobile phone.
software is
The
how
mobile
much?
phone and we can,
28
see the
MB,
YouTube or,
which
any
is
websites or
smaller
anything, or you
than
can do.
WhatsApp also,
Imagine now,
guys.
20 years
Allow,
back, 50
I
years
think
back,
WhatsApp is more
we
than
don't have
30
the
40
mobiles.
MB. Allow can
At that
observe
time also
here.
Android is there. The
Some
phones are
softwares
available,
will be
but not
like
everybody.
1 GB, 2 GB,
Very less
3
people has
GB.
the
Some
mobile phones,
softwares
remaining all having a
Python,
Nokia phones,
very small one.
or Tata Indicom.
Very small,
Names
guys.
mobile.
Python.
At that time,
Like a small
basic
kid.
mobile phones, right?
Python
Okay.
size
So
wise
at that time,
small
if you want
kid,
to see anything
but
in the,
action wise very
internet,
powerful.
we have to go to the internet centers.
Alright, right? Python
Right?
size
Imagine
wise
now,
very
this
small,
is the internet
size
center,
wise,
all of it.
but
Internet
action
center.
wise
And
but work wise
internet
very
center,
powerful.
we have
Very
5 computers
powerful,
or 10
guys.
computers. It's their choice.
Okay, you can
Imagine
observe
now,
the size
one
how much
computer is
here?
there here.
Just 27,
Computer is there.
28 MB
And,
maximum.
and again
around
imagine
that's
this
28
computer
MB, guys.
using
But
by
it's
per day,
powerful than
suppose
all other
1,000
languages,
members.
all
Imagine
other
this.
softwares.
How many? 1,000 members, guys. All of you observe
All of
clearly. How many using customers, sir?
Okay.
1,000
Right.
customers, sir.
Now,
The
downloading
1,000
is over,
customers
guys.
are
Downloading
using for
over.
same purpose, sir.
And where it is
All
downloaded
free books, sir.
in my
All watching the
downloads,
movies, sir.
downloads
They have different requirements.
folder. I am
Now
going
let
to
us
open
guess out of
downloads
1,000,
folder.
out of 1,000, all of you,
Downloads
out of 1,000,
folder, guys. Okay.
suppose
Yes,
200,
and now the downloads
200
folder
using the
you
internet
can find
for education
the
purpose.
recently released
Education,
downloaded
Education
software, guys.
purpose.
All of you.
And next,
Which one?
suppose
Python
some more 300 people
337.
using the website
Okay.
to watch the movies.
So now what is over here?
Which
The
one,
first
movies.
step over.
Again,
What
150,
is over?
150 using the website
Python software
to
over.
see the
Now guys,
politics.
let me know. This
So
one,
now,
everybody,
about politics.
is it clear now?
Politics videos.
Is it clear all of you?
News,
Is
whatever
it
it is,
clear?
politics, okay?
All of
And
you.
one more 150.
Downloading Python.
Or else let's
is
take
it
here
clear?
some 200.
Everyone let me know, guys.
200,
Downloading
okay.
Python.
These are about
Downloading
playing the
Python.
games.
Is it clear, everyone?
Right? And how many are there? Okay. Next, one more 150 people using, tell me now, some more. Education over, movies over, games over.
All of you
politics over.
guys
So what is there?
in the live,
Instagram.
whoever is there,
And to watch
everybody,
the,
please give reply.
Reels,
Downloading
stories,
Python.
right?
Is it clear,
Means we take
everyone?
here, suppose social media. Now it is very famous, right? Entertainment.
Gautam Kumar,
Which
yes
one?
sir, very good.
Entertainment. Okay. Social media, for example, guys.
Gautam Kumar, you have
Hello,
one
right?
question.
So nowadays we
You
have
have
the
one
jobs
question,
and
that is,
education.
sir, I have
Jobs on the movies
installed
also. So we do the job in the
3.12.
movies.
Is
right?
that okay? I
Directors,
can download
directors,
the new one.
production,
No,
all
not
jobs
required.
only.
Gautam
And
Kumar,
politics
whatever
also,
you
kind of job for
have,
them.
use that one only enough.
Right? And the games
you don't
also,
go for again
implement is there.
latest one.
In
And
coming
if you
days,
want also, you can
social
try.
media
No
also
issue.
implement will be there.
If you want to use latest
Like
also, you
making
can
the
try it,
reels,
no issue. Okay.
implement will be there.
Gautam Kumar.
Making the stories or memes maker. Nowadays you see the boards, Python full stack board, Java full stack board, Hadoop like that. In coming days, reels making class, 30 days, 5,000 rupees. Stories making class, 10 years explain the stories making. You see the
Right.
boards, right? Some people say
Now,
10 years.
let us start
And then what do I give the experience,
Python
Narayana?
software. Now first step
This is
over,
making continuous
let's
experience.
go with the second one is what?
Yes, I don't know how to make that.
installing
We give like
Python
that.
software.
The implement
So now
communities.
first what do
The
I
class
do?
must be there.
I'll go to the
Class
place
must be in the
where
communities.
it is
Sometimes I'm doing the
downloaded.
mail also.
Where it is downloaded.
I get the mails of
I
Python
double click
requirement,
this one guys.
Django. I get all. Now
I
it is
double click
social
this
requirement,
one.
social media
I
requirement.
double click it.
Ask the what is that? Means they have one company.
Yes.
For them, we have support
Guys,
how to
observe
make the
now.
reels.
All of you observe
How to
here.
make the
See,
reels, we have
actually,
support them.
I want
That's
to
implement
show
only.
you
Since you
installing
started
Python software.
5-6 years.
I want to show you
The highest demand of the post one.
installing Python software.
Social media
but
full stack
it's
course.
asking me. It's asking
There,
me
you can learn
upgrade to new version.
all. How to sing
Upgrade
for
to
5
new
minutes.
version, guys. Okay,
How
new
to act,
version.
dance. This all
That
will be
means
there.
that means
This is
what
what, full stack
currently
course.
in my laptop
If you want to join,
already
you can connect,
Python
don't go anywhere.
software is there. Already
Okay, all of
Python
you.
same version is there. That's what it's saying
At the time
updated, guys.
singing also.
All
Now
of you
teaching,
now,
right?
currently
At the
in
time
my
you
laptop,
singing,
what
you
is
singing
the
dancing.
version?
We have 10
What is the
compulsory.
version here?
As per the demand, we have 10,
3.13.
right?
The same one, 3.13.
So, you can't imagine that, but
All of it compares. Compares these two
Now,
numbers.
let's observe here.
3.30
Now,
latest
what we do
one.
here,
Already my
till
laptop
now,
also
out of
3.13 is
1000
there.
numbers, out of
Now it's
1000
asking
numbers, how
just to
many
upgrade,
using my website now?
from where
Out of 1000 customers,
5 to
how
7
many using my
upgrade,
website?
5 to 7 5 to
Means,
7 just
let's
upgrade,
growth, more growth.
just upgrade. Okay,
customers are
so
there.
see,
Out
if
of
I click
1000,
here,
100
if I
using my
click
website.
upgrade now,
Simple example. Suppose tomorrow, this demo is there. For demo,
Python
and
3
everyone's
point,
going
3
How
point
many?
all of you
100.
3 point
But only one day 100
13
came,
point,
next 20 came, that's all.
okay.
20 joined demo. Class.
Python which number?
Is it excellent demo or poor demo? Very poor demo.
So it converts from
also
where
same.
3 point
Actual customers were 1000 customers. But how many using website?
it converts into
This development is poor.
13.7.
Development is very less.
When
Okay.
if I click on this one,
we have very
But
less development.
what I want here, I want to show you.
So as a business owners,
I
what
want
they
to show
do,
you
they analyze about
installing a software
Nowadays,
step by
customers
step.
is lacking for what?
I want to show you
Invest
installing
for what?
from basic starting onwards.
Application okay.
At that time,
But still, where
if
are
I
the
click
more,
here,
customers?
it will not show
They analyze
all the
companies. It's called
installation
the
steps.
data analysis.
That's why what I am
We
going
see
to
all the
do,
institutes,
I am going
all
to
the companies,
uninstall,
they analyze the institutes
uninstall
going,
this
which
existing
course they are
version
going,
so that
what
I
are the
can
more
show
enquiries
you
coming to our
step by
institute.
step
As to that
installation
one,
of
we have to start.
3.13.
All of you, right?
3.13.
So now, what is happening? I analyzed, say, and I came to know
3.7.
that along with the
That's why
education,
how to
who is
uninstall the
also
software now,
more
how to install software guys tell me now, just
who is also more searching.
go to
Then what do
control
I do
panel.
immediately? I modify
Control
my
panel, all of you guys
website
observe
and I will
here.
add
Control
movies
panel.
also in my website.
And from
Then
there,
now,
I am going to delete
adding the movies also
my
because I want to get more
existing
customers, right?
Python
When you have the
version.
more customers, we have the more development. Now, not how many using my
Yes,
website
this
now?
is existing my Python
How many?
version guys.
Now development is decreased.
13.5. Just
now
I
development
double click
decreased
it.
like this.
I double click it.
Still, we don't
it
satisfy
uninstalls
generally.
automatically.
Generally, base notes word, we don't satisfy anyway.
Python
They always
installation
search.
and
They always think about
installation
other
both
companies.
are very
Customers,
simple
where
guys.
they have more interest.
Python
Again, I
and
came to know that some
uninstallation
people
both
using what
are
politics
very
also.
simple.
Again, what do I immediately
Why
do?
we don't
No.
struggle
I will add the
while
politics
installing
also.
uninstalling
In my
we don't struggle. It's very
website,
simple.
I am going to add politics videos, politics latest updates, right? Which one? Politics also, guys. Now, how many using my website now? How many using? 6. Development increase. Development increase. Still, again analysis. Where are the more customers? Then what came to know? Games. Again, what do I do now? I am adding the games
Guys,
also.
it is uninstalling.
I am adding
Please
the
wait the 1 minute.
games,
Okay.
guys, here.
Yes. Now, what is
You know?
our uninstalling
Games,
successful?
How many using my website now?
Okay. Now,
How
close
many?
this one.
850.
Close this
Development
one.
increase decreased.
Again, what do I do? I
Increasing.
start installing
Development
from
increasing. Still, you know,
starting onwards.
social,
Like
social
go to
media
again
also
folder,
use my videos. Then what
and
do I do
double
now?
click it.
I am going to add
double click
which one?
it. Yes.
Social media.
Yes. All of you guys observe here.
Media
Then
also.
what is there now?
How many using?
What is there guys here? We can see now.
Now,
Install Python
my development increased more, and I am getting the
Install
all
Python.
customers almost.
there are
We get all
two
customers,
steps.
we have the full
One is
implementation. Full growth is
install now,
the demo over.
and
Those
the
members
second
came,
option is
for
what?
example.
Customize
Came and all
installation.
joined the class.
The first option,
So
install
you came to
now.
demo.
Second
All
option,
joined the class.
customize
It means,
installation.
who
Two
demo or
options
excellent
are
demo?
there.
Excellent demo.
We have to choose any one option.
Right? Means we have the
We have to
excellent
choose
growth in the business.
any one
The
option,
flame
guys.
means every time
We choose,
how we are adding
we
here,
choose either
only
install
this
now
education
option,
is there.
or we
But
choose
how we are adding here based on the
either
customer's requirement.
customer
When you know the
installation
customer's
option.
requirement,
Anyone we
you
have
must
to
think about
choose.
customers.
Just
What they
if
want,
I
what
click
they want,
here,
what they want.
that's enough.
At the time,
It
you can
starts
click on,
installing
use the customers.
automatically. We don't
Suppose
have
imagine
next
now
steps,
we are
guys.
learning
Next,
Python,
next,
learning
not
Python more
there.
demandable.
Just if I click
All learning
either
Python,
here
Python,
or
Python.
here, it
Now, 5
starts
years over, 10
automatically
years over.
installation. Okay.
Next by 10
So,
years,
what is
new
difference
language
between these two steps?
Imagine now, as
What
language
is
name,
the meaning of
some
install
type.
now? What is the meaning of
Language,
customize installation?
At that time, again, all going to language.
Customize installation.
Python.
What is difference?
At the time, also you say only
Okay.
Python, my class,
Right.
Python, my class.
See, the
again,
difference
it
is,
will decrease now.
if I click the install
Sir,
now,
no, it will decrease.
install
Why
now,
all going for
install
both
now,
language?
then our
Why? That is
Python
very powerful than Python also.
13.7
For example, I'm saying, don't
will
switch
install
everything,
automatically
Python
in this given
Okay.
folder.
So means
in this
as per
given
the market,
path,
we have to
in this given
follow.
path,
As per the
it's
demand,
going
we
to
have to
install.
follow.
Means
Then only
it is
government
giving the
of this
default
India
path.
is a
It is
no
giving
government.
the default
Those
path
shopping malls are there.
to install Python
Right,
software.
shopping malls are every time
Sir,
you see some offers.
this path seems very lengthy, sir.
Why more offers?
This path seems
Because
very
more
lengthy.
customers are
I
they
don't want
That's
to
why
use
they
this
give buy one
path,
get
sir.
one.
I want to use a very short
Sometimes some more
path
offers names.
or different
Short-term sales.
folder I want to use, sir. Like
KG sales
some
also.
D drive, E drive,
New names, sir.
or any
Big
specific
sales, sir.
folder I want to use, sir.
Huh?
Then we go for what here?
Big
Second
billion sales,
option,
sir.
and you can see here choose location.
Some are the sales.
When
All
you
will
don't
be there.
want this location,
Some are
you can
sales,
choose
sir.
the location here.
Right?
But
So why
I
the
prefer
new
always
new
choosing
one
the
means
default
better
path
the
only
candidates.
better, guys.
They
Always
don't use the same name
choosing
always.
The default path
Every
only
time,
always
Ashadam
better.
sale, Ashadam sale,
Always
nobody
better,
will buy.
okay?
They
And
do always new name
if I
for
choose the
customers.
default path,
What is that name?
default
They go to
path,
the first,
it
business
gives
to see first of all.
automatically
Means
one
they're trying to
ideally
bring the
it
customers
gives
to business.
automatically one
By
ideally
giving always new names.
other documentation.
New model,
These
suppose
three
a
bonus
process
guys.
For boys,
When I go with
certificate, but
install
girls
now
number of
option,
models will be there.
these three are bonus.
Go to South India Mall.
These three are
South India
bonus.
Mall.
What's first
Lot
one?
of designs will be
Ideally,
there.
people
More small babies are
documentation.
years,
So
8
what
years
is
old,
the
lot
meaning
of
of
models
each
are
one,
there.
sir? What is the meaning
We
of
always new models, because
ideally,
always
sir?
customers say, new model,
Ideally,
new model, new model.
ideally.
Even the new model is
Or
there.
second
Again, we
one,
ask new models are there.
Or third one, bonus
They say
here.
this new model matter. No, I want this
documentation.
very old one.
Sir, what is ideally, sir? Ideally,
Right? So what they do,
transfer
from the box, the next
integrated,
stack will be there. This is a new model.
integrated
Oh, this is the
D
training
for
again.
development,
Training, old one again.
development,
Training nowadays.
and the L
Right?
for
So like
learning.
that, important
L
is which
for
one? Always the growth
L for
of business
learning.
depends
E
on
for environment.
customers.
Environment.
That's
Or
why
option
some
observe here.
customers are gods.
So ideally
Can
means
you see anywhere?
it is a
Some
file.
models,
It is a
or
empty
in some
Python
models,
file.
customers
Empty
are
Python
gods.
file. That means
So
it is a
customers,
.py
no business.
file, guys.
Lockdown,
.py means
for
what?
6 months, 5
It's
months,
a Python extension.
all business
It's a
collapsed.
Python file
Hyderabad.
where
All hostels
we can
closed.
develop
Why?
Python projects.
Customers are not there.
Or you
What
can
customers
learn
are prepared?
Python programs
So it's,
also.
so they are
Yeah,
depending
right?
on you.
In this file,
Hostels,
in this
hotels,
file, you can
are,
integrate.
Which one? That hostels are Pani Puri.
You can integrate which one? The development of a
all
project.
depending on
Or you can work with what here?
you
Learning
go to
with
home,
the
how they live, how they
programs,
survive.
guys. You can learn the
Don't go to
programs
home this
also.
time. Just be
For
here only.
both purpose,
Okay.
you can use
So, and also every
file.
time,
That
every
is
Pongal-
ideally
And that
integrated
also nobody will be there.
development
Maybe some people
and
long distance
learning
go out, they will avoid it.
environment. Learning
They came from
environment.
Chhattisgarh,
Okay.
they are maybe
So
available.
that means
but this local all going to
that
hometown.
means okay,
But
it
they
is
also
a file.
conclude
It is a file.
See me now?
It is
Who is
used
the
by
main part of the
excuse me,
business?
It is used by developers.
I give the live example.
Developers
So live example.
and,
It happened.
students
2000
also.
In
Developers
2007,
what they
8
do,
to 4, 5
developers
at that time,
to
no
develop what
WhatsApp,
here projects, that
no
is what
Facebook,
development, and
no
students
WhatsApp, no Twitter.
to learn what
At that
here,
time.
to learn
Facebook
programs.
also very small one.
Learn
2004,
programs.
5 like that.
Both
Not very
can
famous.
use
At that time, what was the famous
is
application?
the default editor.
2004
We can say
independence.
that it is a file. Also,
There
what
is
we
maybe
are
5
also
6
called
years,
it is
right?
editor.
7 years,
It is a editor. Editor where
Anyone
we
knows?
can make our programs.
2000,
Editor means
2003, 4,
it's like any
5.
software, guys. It's a software where you can develop our coding. We can
Output
use
is there.
this
So
platform
don't
for
forget name.
making our coding,
Don't
guys.
worry.
This is the default
what's the
editor,
name of?
which one
Output
ideally,
is there.
but still
What's the
we can
name?
use
Output.
different
some people
editors
listen to
also
right?
to learn Python,
For
guys.
small kids, sir.
We can use what like Python is
Right.
there.
So
We can
at
use
that time,
Python
Output was the
as
very
editor
famous
to learn the
application.
Python programs.
When in
We can
2004,
use
5, 6
Atom.
at that time.
We can use
If anybody has
like
account in
VS
this
Code,
one, they feel like
VS
they're IAS
Code, Visual
officers.
Studio Code, guys. We can
If
use
you don't have
notebook.
all,
Jupyter notebook.
I mean,
You can
you
use.
don't have the account also. How you
You can
submit
use
the data?
Eclipse also, guys. Eclipse.
So at that time, I was
Eric,
BTech third year, 2009.
PyScripter, like that. N number
How to
of
use the
editors are there,
computer,
guys.
computer science student.
All of you. We
one
can
is
use
CS student
any
only.
editor
Go
to
to
make
lab, how
Python
to open the
programs,
computer,
but Python is
to button
giving
there,
one default editor. That is
And
name
open
is what
course,
here
topic suppose it from
IDLE,
lab work today.
integrated
And then practice.
development and learning in
So fine,
environment.
in third year BTech,
Learning
all my
in
friends having
environment.
the output
All of you,
accounts.
okay?
We are discussing.
Right.
Today send the request.
So you
I
can
accept
use
it.
anyone, guys.
Then
Anyone
what
can
is
use
request,
it.
What is accept?
That is what
Or use
first
also
option
reproduce it.
ideally. The
So
second
one day,
one
when you
is
ask me, tell me
the
your
second
output,
one
I will-
is
I send the request.
PIPA.
What
It
is output?
stands
What is
for
output account?
it
No,
stands
they-
for
You don't have output account.
Python.
BTech third year again.
Python package.
And then,
Python
on the day,
package
same.
installer.
Oh, BTech means
Python
artistic.
package installer.
I went to
Generally,
the room,
for a PIPA,
for my roommate
you
is
can
there.
find
He has all accounts,
multiple
my
full
roommate.
forms, guys.
Except education.
Multiple abbreviations are there for a PIPA.
So I questioned him.
Okay,
Let's go to
so
the internet. Please create
out
account.
of all, we can take one
I
is
don't use the
that is
output,
what
very
here
quick, my friends asking me.
Python
I
package
feel very bad
installer.
with the first day. I
Python
requested
package
him.
installer.
He came.
Guys, observe here.
So, net of
Python
Parana,
is
and then
powerful.
we will
Python is powerful.
So after going there, so he said,
Python is
okay,
powerful
I
because
don't know,
of-
username password.
because of what element?
Final after 10 minutes, write note, username.
Because of its
password.
packages.
History you have to remember very well.
Because of its
Okay, fine.
packages.
He said, you go now.
Python supports n
Again,
number
one
of
use
packages.
completely.
Like
1 hour is
pandas,
fine.
matplotlib,
Next day, I'm very happy.
SciPy,
Why?
Django,
Yes, output is there.
Flask,
I went to the
Flask,
class,
like that.
nobody
we have
asked me, I did
multiple
all the numbers,
packages.
I take my output.
Yesterday I explained that.
So I'm saying
the
all
purpose of
members,
the package.
output, account and
Okay.
the password also I'm saying.
So because of more
I don't know that we have
packages,
write the password.
our work
I'm sending all.
is
my
done
output
very
account to Narayana.
easily
My
by
password
using these
Narayana,
packages.
1, 2, 3, take it.
We
I'm
don't
sending to
need
all.
to write
They
more
ask me,
coding.
the password, I pick.
Just
No
we can use
problem, I
the
have that.
packages to
And close
fulfill
friends,
our
array,
package,
it's
our
don't say
requirement.
that.
To fulfill
Don't say
our
the password.
requirement. Just
You
we add
say
the less
password, they
code
use it,
and
accept
more
it,
code
they will use no
replace
problem.
which one this
They will
package.
use all the problem.
That's why we
I
say
don't know
that
all those
what here
things. Then,
Python is
I'll
very
be
powerful
accepted.
because
Don't
of
say
its
password.
packages.
So only account name only.
How to get the
Send
packages?
the
Sir?
request, we
How
accept
to
it,
get the
we can chat
packages?
Suppose
Guys,
you say
some
password also,
packages
you chat with other
are
friends.
default in
Chat
Python.
with girls, then bad
Some
time to you.
packages are default in
Then,
Python,
okay, we have to-
and some
we have to
packages
put the
we have to install manually.
That is the
Those are called the third-party
2008
packages.
at that time. So no
Third-party
Facebook.
packages. So
So
how
what
to
is
install the
happening?
packages?
In that
How
also,
to-
Output
how to
also, no
install,
more options.
install
Very few. Upload
packages.
video,
Observe
hit
here.
the DP,
Just
maybe
you
chatting.
go to the command
What is the
prompt,
problem
guys.
means? If you
You go
upload
to
the
the
one
command
photo,
prompt.
it takes lot
Allow
of time
you.
to upload.
I'm going to explain
If you upload the
how
DP,
to
change the
install
DP,
package.